Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Yeah, this is in a 2019 Nissan Altima. I'm gonna go ahead and arm the system. We did the shock sensor add-on. They already busted that window over there. They did a complex. They did a complex of apartments. They did like 15 cars in one night. So yeah, so we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. So if anybody tries to break a window, the keyhole, basically she has the hood caps. See, nobody's gonna go after these rims. The reason why they do is to steal the good ones, to take these off and put the good ones on. So, you know, she doesn't have to worry about the rim theft here, but, you know, they broke the window for snatch and grab or whatever they can grab. So now if somebody tries to break the window again, it will fire off the alarm system. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Fort Lauderdale on this 2019 Nissan Altima by Auto Alarm Specialist. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.